Hello and welcome back to the English Penliner. The saga continues. So, the fan blades, I've took these off to have a look, a little bit dirty. That's where we had the repair. That's all working okay. Well, it's still together. Believe it or not, that little bit of blue tack there just balanced it nice. But I've delved into the problem because it came back on. Let me show you this. I don't know how close you can see this, but whether you can actually see that. But that's the armature. There's the windings for the motor on the inside. I'll be focusing. And then just if you look at the armature, if you can see it, if you're getting that, the armature has absolutely been worn down, and you're no good replacing the arm brushes because, as you can see here, they've worn down completely. They have. Well, the one has, which is quite typical. And of course, even if you replace these, which I bet you can do, or you probably can't, because everything's just throwaway now, isn't it? But anyway, the repair would be to replace that, but you would have them destroyed in seconds on that armature. That would ruin it, that would. So I've priced them up. So for this motor in England, cheapest price I can get just for the motor, £93. So convert that. That's probably, I don't know, £1,000 US. Only joking. Anyway, that nearly £100 in English money, with the postage and stuff, just for that little motor. So I've been a little bit inventive. So we've got an old computer upstairs, and what I did was I took the computer fan out because it's not being used anymore now, and I've simply tie wrapped it that side, drilled a hole here, obviously not going through the electrics, tie wrapped it this side. Now, to replace the fan unit, which would be a kerfluffle anyway, that's about 150 to 200 pounds. One with the lights, 200 pounds one with the remote control. But we're so close to it now, we just don't need a remote. And unfortunately, they don't come flush. Now, all you A-liner people will know that it really needs to be flush across here because of the roof sliding up. Although I can get mine past it, I could get round it, but somebody would put it up and destroy it, because this has been damaged in the past through the roof coming up because we didn't do it properly. But it still works. So let me show you. There we go. And we're back in action. A little bit noisy, I must admit, but I can put up with that because this is free and it works. And it won't be on all the time. It will only be on to just help clear the air a little bit when the dogs are wet or something like that. Other than that, that's the result. I'll show you it outside, and I'll show you some of our English weather we're about to have as well. Great. Storms are coming. So, there you go, we're back in action. I mean, it was free. So, yes, it's a little bit noisy, but it's free, isn't it? I think I found the tie wraps as well. So, but anyway, it was working, and it's doing its job, and didn't cost a penny. But I will put these, I'll keep these safe, although this is useless now. I'll keep that safe because you never know. And don't lose that mark. So, there you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. I said I'd keep you updated. And please subscribe. Thank you very much.